This video is part 1 of 3 where I'm going to review the pillows and pillowcases that I use in the simple and easy indoor rose gold picnic. Part 2 is all about the table. From centerpiece to silverware, I'm going to walk you through exactly how I put this table together. And in part 3, I'm going to have a simple and easy DIY rose gold backdrop tutorial. Welcome to Event Styles LLC, where we bring the style to your events. So these are Foamily pillows. I'm unsure if I'm pronouncing this correctly, but I did get these from Amazon in the set of 4. The size of these pillows that I got were 18 by 18 inches. Overall, these pillows were great. However, one thing that I want you to know is that you need to make sure that you open these at least the night before. They are really compressed down to be able to fit into the packaging, so they have to be exposed to air for at least 24 hours in order to expand to their full capacity. Overall, like I said, these pillows are great. They're easy to work with, soft, and really good quality. So these are YNester pillowcases that I got from Amazon. They come with 4 in each set. These are 18 by 18 inches, just like my pillows. I got these in the shade of gold foil. I thought they were so beautiful. It comes with shades of black, white, and gold. I thought that would be really good contrast to the table, which is mainly rose gold. I didn't want the pillows to be all rose gold too, because I thought that would be overwhelming with the rose gold. I love that each pillow had a little bit of gold in it, so they all matched, even though they were contrasting to the table. These were hands down my favorite pillowcases out of all the ones that I used. I thought they had the most personality and they were the cutest. They were easy to put together, didn't take that much time at all. They're so compatible with the throw pillows that I already had. So I love that. The quality of the print was really good too. You can tell that they didn't rush this and that they know what they're doing. The foil itself, the cut was clean. It fit really well. It was applied really well to the cloth material too. I loved these. The way they looked, the way they feel. They had no smell to them, and they were really amazing. So this is actually the second set of pillowcases that I got from YNester. This is their shade Flamingo Pink, also 18 by 18 inches. This is actually when I started to notice a little bit of flaws in their actual material. You'll notice in a second, but one, I'm not using white throw pillows anymore. These are pillows that my client actually have that I'm using from her living room. As I put it inside the pillowcase, what I noticed is that I can actually see through the pillowcase. That to me is a huge no-no. If I can tell what the pillow inside the pillowcase looks like, that kind of defeats the purpose. What's the point of me covering up a pillow just to still be able to see the pillow? I might as well have nothing on it. While the material itself, the pillowcase itself is really cute, the print is high quality, the foil is attached to the cloth beautifully, I shouldn't be able to tell what the pillow inside of it looks like. I did notice that with solid colors like this gray pillow, I didn't run into the same problem as I ran in with the print pattern one. But honestly, I feel like regardless of what pillow I put inside of a pillowcase, if it's good quality, I shouldn't be able to tell that. I shouldn't be able to see what pillow is inside of it. Even though I was able to see through the material on some of the pillowcases, for the price point, these pillows were pretty good. The quality of the print job, I can go on and on and on about how amazing they are. The way the foil was adhered to the material, it wasn't coming up on the sides. You can tell that they really know what they're doing when they're creating their design. The design was so cute. It fit so well with the party. I really love these pillows overall. The only thing I would recommend is if you do want to use these pillows, go ahead and use a solid colored pillow inside. So far, that is it, my friends. This is what the throw pillows look like at the end. I thought they were so cute. Next, we're gonna go over table decoration, so stay tuned for part 2. And then in part 3, I'm gonna show you how I created this super easy rose gold backdrop. Thank you for watching this video. Comment down below what you think. Go ahead and give us a like and subscribe while you're down there, and we'll see you in the next video.